Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Mohini Bhalke and I heartily welcome you to all in our class Social Success Point. Dear students, we are studying the first chapter of class 10 Geography, Resources and Development. We already have prepared two videos and this is our third video, and in this video we will study the next topic, that is soil as resource. Dear students, soil is the most important renewable natural resource. It is the medium of plant growth and supports different types of living organisms on the earth, and it takes millions of years to form. If we talk about the important factors of soil formation, so there are so many factors as like relief, parent rock or bedrock. Next, climate and vegetation and other forms of life. There are some other factors also as like change in temperature, action of running water, wind and glaciers, activities of decomposer, chemical and organic changes. Dear students, for better understanding of soil formation, let's have a look at an animation video.
Soil formation. The action of sun, water, ice, wind, and plants break huge pieces of rock to form soil. The process of soil formation is very slow, taking thousands of years, and is known as the weathering of rocks. The rocks are continuously exposed to the agents of weather, constantly heated by the sun and cooled by the rain. The alternate heating and cooling over a long period of time cracks the rocks in the following manner. Rain falling over heated rocks causes them to break due to sudden contraction. The rain collects in these cracks and may freeze in winter, forming ice. The ice in the crevices expands, causing the rocks to break into smaller pieces. Sometimes, due to strong winds and other natural causes, rocks may roll down, scrape each other, and break into smaller pieces. Sometimes the roots of a tree enter the crevices, and as they grow and require more space for themselves, this results in the breaking up of rocks. The roots of some plants produce acid that helps in breaking the rocks. The continuous movement of water from streams, waterfalls, and rivers also break large rocks into smaller pieces. Thus, soil formation is a slow and continuous process.
Dear students, soil erosion is the process of wearing away of soil from the earth's surface. Okay, when the soil is removed from its own place, it means it is the soil erosion. Okay, there are some causes of soil erosion, and here we will see the two kinds of causes for soil erosion. The first is human activities and another is natural activities. In human activities, the cause of soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing, construction work, and over irrigation. And if we will talk about natural activities, so the cause of soil erosion are wind, glaciers, and water. Okay, now we will discuss upon the various types of soil erosion. There are various kind of soil erosion. So first of all, we will see gully erosion. Dear students, as we know very well, when the soil is removed from its own place, so it is soil erosion. But here we are talking about the gully erosion. Gully erosion means the running water cuts through the clay soil and make deep channel. So it is known as gully erosion. Okay, and for better understanding gully erosion, let's have a look on short video.
That landform created by the running water.
This shows that when it rains, the water runs in this land.
Yeah. We have to cross the gully to reach our place. Can you jump across?
students, sometimes water flows as a sheet down a slope. So, in such a situation, top part of the soil is washed away. Okay, once again I am repeating, when water flows as a sheet down a slope, in such a situation, top part of the soil is washed away, and this is called sheet erosion. Students, soil conservation means to prevent the soil from erosion. Okay, now question is that how can we conserve soil? Okay, so there are some measures for preventing soil from its erosion. Okay, so some measures are contour plowing, terraced cultivation, strip farming and shelter belt. Okay, so first of all we will see contour plowing. By plowing along the contoured lines, water does not run down the slopes. Now, in terrace cultivation, steps can be cut out on the slopes and terraced made. And in third, strip farming, large fields are divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops, and these break up the force of the wind, and this method is known as strip cropping. And the last, shelter belts. Planting of trees to create shelter also work effectively. The rows of trees are called shelter belts. They reduce the wind flow and loose soil is not blown away. Moreover, trees' roots check erosion by water. Apart from these measures, by doing more plantation, we also can protect the soil, okay, from its erosion. Now, by using these measures, we can prevent the soil, we can conserve the soil from the erosion. Now, let's have a look, a short video. Students, now I hope you understood that what is soil, was the soil erosion and various kind of soil erosion, and how can we prevent our soil, and what's the measures to prevent the soil. Okay, now we will see the last topic of this chapter, the various classification of soil. So students, here we will see the classification of soil. Okay, it's very easy to learn. Here we will learn this soil with the trick. Okay, so first of all we will see that how many kinds of soils are found in our country. Okay, so here we will study the 6 kinds of soil as like A for alluvial, B for black. Once again please repeat with me. A for, not apple, okay, A for alluvial, B for black. Black is the color. Okay, so here 2 more colors we will keep in our mind, that is red and yellow. Okay, let's repeat. A for alluvial. B for black. Black is color, so two more color, red and yellow. Okay, red is brick. Okay, red is brick, and brick is also known as laterite. Okay, so once again repeat. A for alluvial, B for black. Black is color, and two more color, red and yellow. Red is brick, and brick is known as laterite. Okay, and brick something dry, so dry is also known as arid. And last, forest. Okay, so let's repeat one more time. A for alluvial, B for black. Black is color, and two more color, red and yellow. Red is brick, and brick is also known as laterite. Brick is dry, and dry is also known as arid. And afterward at the last, forest. Now, first of all, we will study about the alluvial soil on the various bases. Okay, here we will take total 7 parameter. Okay, on these 7 parameter we will study the alluvial soil. Okay, so let's start first beginning with the alluvial soil. Okay, so if we talk about the name of alluvial soil, so it is also known as alluvium. Okay, alluvial soil is also known as alluvium, and it is deposited by flowing water. How the alluvial soil deposited? The alluvial soil is deposited by flowing water, means it is formed by flowing water. Okay, and with the river which is coming from Himalayas, okay, and which form deltas also, so they form alluvial soil. And next, second is found. Okay, so where the alluvial soil is found? Alluvial soil is found in eastern coastal plains. Okay, and it is deposited by a delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, and in northern plain it is deposited by Indus river, Ganga river and Brahmaputra river. Okay, so the another name is alluvial soil is alluvium. It is deposited and formed by the flowing water, and it is found in eastern coastal plain and deposited by the delta of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. And in northern plain it is deposited by Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river, and it is composed with sand, silt and clay. Okay, this is the third parameter, composition. Okay, alluvial soil composed with sand, silt and clay. And if we talk about the nutrients, so in alluvial soil, which kind of nutrients we may get? Potash, phosphoric acid and lime. And the fourth types, there are two types of alluvial soil. First is Bhangar and second is Khadar. It's really very easy to learn. Okay, if anything would be old, so definitely we will say Bhangar. Okay, so Bhangar means Bhangar. Okay, and new is Khadar. So Bhangar and Khadar. Bhangar is the old alluvial soil and Khadar is the new alluvial soil. Okay, one more thing is that ki Khadar is more fertile than Bhangar. Okay, now next, fifth, fertility. If we will talk about the fertility, so alluvial soil is very fertile. Okay, and next is supporting plant. So there are so many crops which are supported by alluvial soil, as like sugarcane, paddy, wheat, cereals and pulses. At the last stage is states. Okay, in which states the alluvial soil is found? So alluvial soil is found in Gujarat and Rajasthan, etc. Now we will see black soil. Okay, so first parameter is name. If we will talk about the other name of black soil, so that is regar. Okay, the other name of black soil is regar. Regar soil is also called black soil and black soil is also called regar. Okay, it is black in color okay, and it is formed by volcanic activity. Okay, how the black soil is formed? Black soil is deposited or black soil is formed by volcanic activity. Second parameter is found. So black soil is found in northern West Deccan Plateau, because we know very well that Deccan Plateau is formed by volcanic activities. Okay, now third is composition. Okay, so black soil is composed by clay. And if we talk about the nutrients, so in black soil we may get magnesium, potash and lime. Next, other than is type, so there is no type of black soil. Next is fertility. So black soil is fertile also and sticky also. Okay, black soil is fertile and sticky also, and it is supporting plant. Its supporting plant is cotton, because black soil is known as regular soil also, and it is also called cotton soil. Okay, now next is states. In which states the black soil is found? So Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Malwa, Chhattisgarh, etc. Okay. Now we will see red and yellow soil. Okay, so this soil is reddish yellow in color and it is in hydrate form. Okay, if we will talk about the formation of red soil and yellow soil, so red soil is a type of soil that develops in a warm, temperate, moist climate under deciduous or mixed forest, and having thin organic and organic mineral layers overlaying a yellowish brown leached layer resting on an alluvial red layer. So red soils are generally derived from crystalline rocks. Okay, and if we will talk about yellow soil, so yellow soil is formed under broad-leaved forest in humid subtropical region, chiefly on parent material from clay shale. It has an acid reaction and low humus content, and its yellow color is caused by the presence of ferric hydroxide. Okay, that's why this soil is in hydrated form. Okay, next is where the red and yellow soil is found. So this soil is found in eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. Okay, red and yellow soil is found in eastern and southern part of Deccan Plateau. And if we will talk about the composition of red and yellow soil, so it is acidic in nature, and the nutrients which are found in red and yellow soil are iron, aluminium and lime. Next is type. So there is no any another type of red and yellow soil. So now we will talk about the fertility of red and yellow soil. So the fertility, if we will talk about the fertility, so it has low water holding capacity. Okay, red and yellow soil has low water holding capacity, and the supporting plants are millets, wheat, cotton and potatoes, and the states are Orissa and Chhattisgarh. Now we will talk upon laterite soil. Okay, later means bricks. Laterite is a soil and rock type rich in iron and aluminium. Okay, and it is commonly considered to have formed in hot and wet tropical areas. Nearly all laterites are of rusty red coloration because of high iron oxide content, and they developed by intensive and weathering of the underlying parent rock. Okay, next is that where is the laterite soil is found? So it is found in southern state and some parts of West Bengal and northern eastern region. Okay, laterite soil is found in southern state and some parts of West Bengal and northern eastern region. If we will talk about the fertility of laterite soil, so it is less fertile, and supporting plants are tea, coffee, cashew nut, and it is found in the states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. Now we will see arid soil. Arid means dry. And if we talk about the formation of arid soil, so arid soil is formed from the fragmentation of adjacent rocks, and it is largely blown from Indus Valley area and coastal region. Okay, and it is found in desertic area like Rajasthan. And if we will talk about composition of arid soil, so it is sandy and rich salt. Okay, and if we will talk about the fertility of arid soil, so it is less fertile and it supports millet, maize and barley, and mainly it is found in Rajasthan state. At the last we will see forest soil. Okay, dear students, forest soil forms where it is not too hot and not too cold. Soil that formed under deciduous forests are very fertile and productive agricultural land because of the decomposing leaves at the soil surface. Okay, and it is found in hills and mountain areas. Which soil is found? Forest soil is found in hills and mountain areas. If we will talk about the composition of forest soil, so it is composed with loamy and silt in valley side. Okay, and it contains low humus when the Himalayas covered with snow. Okay, and if we will talk about the fertility of forest, so the fertility of forest soil is varies with the location, means in different places the fertility of forest soil is different, and the supporting plants of forest soil are spices, tea, coffee, tropical fruits. Okay, and at the last the states where the forest soil is found are Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Haryana. So my dear students, now successfully we have finished our first chapter of class 10 Geography, Resources and Development. So I hope you understood. Now all the best for this study. So thank you and have a nice day.